in safe-sex streets, you're told it doesn't have to be like that. The sexual world does not have to be as scary and as much horror as you've seen. And they go through the messages with them. And then it culminates in what we call a safe space or a chill room. And in that chill room is where we rap one-on-one with the students. We speak about various issues that they have seen in the village. We talk about abstinence, about if they've started to have sex, what are the options that they have in terms of building their skills building for the young people. So we make it a safe space, a chill room where we can promote the positive issues that we want to promote among the young people.
My name is Taj Douglas. I attend Excelsior High. I'm 12 years of age and I went to the one-on-one village workshop in Ocherius.
How I feel about Ashe coming to the school, I feel that it's great, exciting and educational.
I learned about the different sexual diseases like syphilis, gonorrhea and HIV. The haunted house wasn't really scary because when I was at the workshop in Ochi, they gave us like a CD, a DVD to tell you what it was about and then show you what it was about and what it's going to be like.
To the truth, it means a lot. The badge, it now tells me that if a grade 7 student wants to talk about sex or he wants more, what he doesn't understand about sex, he can always come to me or even Rachel.
Well, the prayer badge means to me is like I'm a teacher and the students are the students, and the badge is like I am here to teach them what they do not know.
I learned things and I was scared. I learned of all, if you have gonorrhea, them show you all the symptoms of the gonorrhea disease, all the symptoms of the syphilis disease, and yes, it was scary. It was very scary.
I plan to take back to Excelsior the 4 S's, the super safe for sexual skills.
They are like self-control, trust, knowledge, and communication.
How do I feel about the workshop that I did? It helps me to know what diseases are out there if I start doing sex at an early age.
They can talk to me, they can trust me not to tell anyone, and I can give them knowledge about it.
This is Cross Kids High School and we want you to abstain.
My youth, the sexual world have a whole heap of people who just jump in and driving around and don't have no license.
True thing. And that's the reason why so many young people getting pregnant and getting diseases.
I see, you get the picture. So that's what the Vibe Village is about. It takes you into the sexual world in a safe way, in a fun way. Hey, you ever wonder what the sexually transmitted diseases would say to you if they were up close like people?
Yo, you're scared now.
Alright, check it out.
We're about to go into the Vibe Village, which contains a horror house, a safe sex room and a chill room, and we hope to enjoy it. I think that the Vibes Village will be a very fun place. It contains of a chill room, a safe sex, and a horror house. And I think I will enjoy the time.
I think the Vibes Village will be a learning experience for all of us. We can know the advantages and disadvantages of sex.
I think I'm going to learn about sex and AIDS and how is it transmitted to one person to another.
I'm going to learn about people, how sex is transmitted from one person to the other.
I'm afraid of nothing, sir.
No, I don't think so. I don't think I will be scared.
They told us that it's all about the HIV program and how it's going to be nice and all those stuff. But we are waiting to see how all those things. Finish now.
world of sexuality. Are you ready to handle it? Step inside if you dare.
Ignorance and disease. And anyone who enters the sexual world has a hard time escaping me. Because
syphilis, syphilis,
step on the scene. Syphilis, syphilis, I make man scream. We make you eat, scratch, all over. We going, come back, give you fever. We make you hear, follow, all over. We make you mad!
I am syphilis. I just want me lick you with rash, itch, and scratch all over. Hey, you going for your time. No, come back with what? Fever, wash them, wash it. Hey, but terrible, so me make your ear follow. Follow wet. Man, one wicked one for this. What we get? GPI. What that do? It make you go, Hey, so that's far. Still far from me. Yeah, still far.
Gonorrhea, discharge, make your urine burn. Man, when you catch me, you can't have children, and woman baby born blind.
We are gonorrhea. And once we catch us, you get lots of discharge. Discharge. Gonorrhea. We make your urination burn. We cause sterility in a man. So men like you can't have children. We cause a baby that is born from an infected mother to be blind.
I am HPV, human papilloma virus. I cause warts on your sexual organs. Do you know that these warts develop cervical cancer in a woman? You have to go through radiation therapy, and there's pain. But the sad part is, you have to have a hysterectomy, which is the end of having a child of your own. You can avoid having HPV, but first you must avoid having sex at an early age.
I am HPV. What? Human papilloma virus. HPV. HPV. Human papilloma virus. I cause warts on your sexual organs. HPV. Do you know that these warts develop cervical cancer in a woman?